How to delete your Honkai Impact 3 account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Honkai Impact account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Honkai Impact 3 account, it's very simple. First of all, come to the official website, which is honkaiimpact3.hoyoverse.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below that says honkaiimpact3.hoyoverse.com. Once you're here, just click the official site button as you can find here. Once you click on official site button, it will navigate you to this page where you have to click the profile like icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click this icon here, what you want to do is over here you have to understand your Honkai Impact comes from your Hoyoverse account. So if you want to delete your Honkai account, you have to delete your Hoyoverse account. So log into the Hoyoverse account that you would like to delete over here. Once you basically log into your account, you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to navigate to account security settings. When you go to account security settings over here, you simply want to scroll down to the bottom where it says delete account. All you have to do is click on requesting account deletion. Once you've done that, click the next option, follow the instructions, and your Honkai Impact or your Hoyoverse account will get successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Honkai Impact or Hoyoverse account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.